Before Karbala and the Battle of Nahrawan, the soldiers who were caught by Ali ibn Abi Talib were standing there. One of the soldiers, you all know him very well. He was fighting Ali ibn Abi Talib on that day. He had some rope around his hands. It wasn't too tight, but it was around the hands. Imam Hussain was walking past, he saw that soldier. And the soldier looked at him and said, Hussain, I beg you, please remove this rope from around my hand, because the rope is causing nervousness in me. Remove it. And I'm asking you. Imam al-Hussain went back to his father. He said, oh my father, I'd like a favor from you. He said, what is it? He said, this person over there, do you see him? He said, yes, I see him. He said, he says to me, the rope is tight around his hand, even though you will never put a tight rope, but it seems to have been hurting him. And he asked me to remove it. Oh my father, do you allow me? He looked at him and he said, Abu Abdullah, go ahead. Abu Abdullah, why do you want to answer this? He said, Father, when someone asks through me, how can I reject? I don't want the person to be embarrassed. When you realize who this person is, that's when you realize how magnanimous a man this man is. He went back to the person, he said, give me your hands. And he removed the ropes from the hands of Shimr bin Dil-Jawshan. Tell me, which mercy did he show to you when he sat on your chest on the afternoon in Karbala? This man, you remove a rope from his hand because when a person asks you, you do not want to embarrass them. And that is the same man who sits on your chest on the 10th of Muharram. That's Hussain. Before Karbala, not one mention in our lectures of Abu Abdullah before Karbala. This is Abu Abdullah before Karbala. And that's why the 10th of Muharram wasn't Imam al-Hussain. Imam al-Hussain for years had displayed these attributes. Karbala was when all of them came together on one day. Generosity with knowledge and forgiveness and humility and care and honor and dignity. That Hur bin Yazid al-Riyahi, who was a commander of the opposition, who had blocked water from the children of Hussain.